Hello, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to download Netbeans 8.2 on Linux Mint Cinnamon. This is 19.3. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to the website. I'll have this link down in the description, and make sure that it's set for Linux for the platform up here, and then just download. I'm going to download all because I am also going to want to be using this for C++ development in the future. But this video is going to be mainly focused on Java development. So once you download that, it should be downloaded. You'll be able to navigate that if you're using Firefox here, and it should go into your downloads folder here. So what you're going to want to do is navigate to your downloads directory. So you can either do that by right-clicking and then open in terminal, or if you have a terminal open, and this is open in my home directory, you can just do cd downloads, and now you're in your downloads directory. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is do chmod plus x and then netbeans and hit enter. Now what you're going to want to do is put the dot to signify in where you are in your current directory, / and then netbeans, and then this should run the installer. So we'll give this a minute, and then you're going to want to go through and configure this however you want to. What I'm going to do is click Customize and also include Apache Tomcat, and then hit Next. Accept the terms and conditions. Hit Next, 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 and I'm going to disable that and install. And this will take a couple minutes to install. And just a reminder, all of these commands that I will be executing in the terminal will be in the description below. So if it's easier for you to just copy them and paste them, you can always have that possibility. And but although it is probably better if you do type them in, because that way you'll learn. But I'll come back when this is finished downloading. So now this is finished downloading. You're going to want to press finish, and now Netbeans is downloaded. Now one thing that you are going to see, it's here on my desktop, when you do open it, it will not run and work because Linux Mint comes pre-installed with JDK 11, and Netbeans 8.2 uses JDK 8. So if you see here, if you try to click a new project, new file, it doesn't work. A lot of this just isn't populating, and so we'll fix that right now. So what you're going to want to do is go into your software manager, and then wait for that to boot up here. And then what you're going to want to do is type in just JDK. And then what we're going to be looking for is Open JDK 8. JDK. So right here, this is the one that you're going to want. You're going to download this, and then once that is downloaded, you're also going to want to install gedit. So to do that, you would do sudo apt install gedit, just like that. And what you're going to want to do is with gedit, when you're in your home directory here, so we'll just go and remember, change directory, .. brings you back a directory. You're going to want to run gedit netbeans 8.2 etc, and then netbeans.conf. And this is your configuration file for Netbeans. And as of right now, its default is JDK 11. But we're going to want to change that so then it uses JDK 8. And so where your JDK 8 is stored on your machine is, if we go all the way back here, and then we go to user, and then we go to lib, and then what we're going to want to find is JVM, which is right there, and then JDK, Java 8 Open JDK AMD 64 is the one that we want. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into here, just so then it's real easy to just copy that path, We're then going to paste that path into this NetBeans JDK home right there. We're going to save. Make sure you save this file. Going to exit it. We can exit all this as well. And then what we're going to do is open back up NetBeans. And now this should have the correct JDK being used, and it should all work. See, now that this new project opens, we can go to Java. We'll go for Java application, finish, and then just to confirm that this all compiles and it runs all good, we can do system.out.println and then test. Clean and build that. Built, and it ran. Test. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments section below, and I'd love to try to help you out. And yeah, have a good day.